In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a private Instagram account's followers, the only legit way. If you've ever tapped on a profile with a lock icon and the message that the account is private, you've seen Instagram's privacy controls in action. These settings are designed to protect people's content and connections, and they tightly restrict who can see posts, follower lists, and following lists. Here's the bottom line up front. The only way to see a private account's followers is to become an approved follower yourself. That means you send a follow request and wait for the account owner to accept it. Once your request is approved, the followers and following tabs become visible, along with their posts and stories, just like any account you already follow. If your request isn't accepted, that information remains hidden, and there isn't a workaround that's legitimate or safe. It's important to avoid third-party apps, websites, or unlock services that claim they can reveal private profiles or their followers. These tools violate Instagram's terms of service, and they often put your own privacy and security at risk. They may try to harvest your login details, prompt you to complete shady surveys, or ask for permissions that can compromise your account. Protect yourself by staying on the official Instagram app or website and by never sharing your password or security codes with anyone. If you're trying to view a private account's follower list for a genuine reason, keep your approach simple and respectful. Send the follow request and give it time. Repeatedly sending requests or pressuring the account owner can backfire and is not a good look. If they choose not to approve you, that's their right, and it's a signal to move on and respect their boundaries. Remember, privacy settings exist to give people control over their social experience. To recap in plain terms, you must be an approved follower to see a private account's followers. If your follow request is accepted, you'll gain access. There are no legitimate methods to see this information without permission, and trying to bypass privacy protections can put your account at risk. By respecting these settings, you help keep Instagram safer and more ethical for everyone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.